So hi there, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I will explore how to use Excel macros to automate tasks, whether it's formatting a report, copying data, or doing repetitive work. Macros can save some hours for you. So we will cover what is a macro, how to record using a macro, and how to run it, then how to assign it to a button. And the key things to watch here is how to create a macro in Excel file. So the question that we need to ask ourselves is, why do you want to do macros in Excel? So for example, when we look at this data, maybe you've been given by your manager to do to present your data, and the manager wants you to present your data in a certain way. And when you look at this data, we just have the customer name where there is the first name, the first name and the last name, and maybe your manager wants you to put your data in a different or a certain way. So instead of you doing it manually by just going there, putting the columns and typing this first and second name into different columns, we use macros to automatically set this data and automate it into an automated way so that you don't just do that. So the first thing that we want to do to this data is, once you come here to these icons, you find that there's nowhere where it's saying macros, and you will not find it anywhere. So what you need to do is you will go back to here and click on file, then you will go down here to the last option, then click on it. So it will take you to this place where there's so many icons here. Then you will go to customize ribbon, then you'll find these options here. You click on developer, because this is where macro lives on your Excel. Then you click OK. Once you click OK, there's this option that will be added here. Once you click on it, now you can see there is these options. You have macros, record your macro, use relative references, and all that. So we'll go ahead and do that. So the next thing, since we have now come up with this developer option, we want to start doing or recording a macro. So what you do, you come to this and click on record macro. Once you click on it, now you can change and name it the way you want. Like for example, formatting underscore macro, or just mark like that. You find out that in this section you cannot write or separate or put a space between your words. You can either use underscore or just write the whole letter the way it is together, the whole word the way it is, then you click OK. So once you click OK, realize that there's an option here that says stop recording, but I will not press stop recording because I've not recorded any macro. So the next step that we will do is we will start now doing that. So first thing that I want to do, I will come here and insert a column here, insert, then we will call this first name, then we will call this last name, then you can bold them, just bold all of your titles like that, then go back to macros right here. Then from here, since we have, then the next thing that I will do, I'll go to select this data here, then I'll go to the names here, then go to data, then you go to the next thing that says text columns here. You click on it like that. Once you click on it, there's delimited, you just okay, you click on it like that, then you will go to note tab, you click on space, you undo this, you click on tab like that, then you click next, then you click to finish. Then you can see now my first name have been separated from my last names very well. You can see this the first name and the last names has been separated very well. And now since I've separated my first name and my last name, the next thing I'll do is I will go to this section, highlight it, then I'll go back to home, then developer here. I'm looking for the place that conditioning formatting where here it is. Then you'll go to the greater than, then you click on it like that. Then you look for any number that is above 0 or below 0, and then click OK. Then you can see I have highlighted my numbers, those the balance due. Here it is zeros. Then there's those who have paid and above. So the next thing that I'll do is, now the next thing I'll do is I will go back to the developer, like here where it is developer. Then I'll stop recording. So once I stop recording, I've recorded my macro. So the next thing that I'll do, I just want to undo this data. Undo, click Control, then go back like that. So then let me highlight this data and put it on another sheet. So to the new sheet, paste there. Then highlight them like this. Then I can go back to the macro that I saved. I click on it, I go to it, then click run. Then you can see it automatically runs for me the data. So if I bring in any other data that I want to do automatically without going and formatting and doing all other formatting, I'll just use the macro that I've recorded on my computer and the computer will do it for me. So that is how easily you can create or record macros in your Excel. And maybe you have more data in next month that you're planning to enter or format your data in a certain format. You can follow the same steps that you can use, then let your computer automate your tasks. Thank you. If you found this video more helpful, please make sure you like it, you subscribe, and you leave your comment below. Thank you. See you in the next video.